Alright everybody, today I wanted to show you how to enroll your iPad in self-service. This gives you access to SU apps and as well as mail profiles, VPN profiles, and a host of other things. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you've gone through the setup assistant on your iPad is to click on Safari, and once you have opened Safari you're going to want to go to ipadsetup.su.edu. After you get to this website, you will see, an explanation of why you should enroll your iPad, what the benefits are for that, and then you'll see a spot to click, or in this case, tap to enroll your iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and click tap here, and you'll be taken to a page to log in using your SU credentials. So this is the same thing that you would use to log in to Blackboard. So I'm going to go ahead and put my credentials in here. Alright, got them in there, and I'm going to click login. And once you do that first step, it's really easy. You're just going to follow the instructions. Tap the install button. So I'm going to click on install certificate, which you can see right here. I'm going to click on install again and click on install at the top right hand corner, and then click done. Now I'm going to click install profile, which you can see right here, and I will click install again. And this is the same process. You pretty much just have to click through it. It doesn't take very long. Click install one more time on the upper right hand side and click done, and enrollment complete. So now you'll notice when I press the home button here that I have to set a passcode. This is a requirement. It's for security purposes. So you click continue and just put in a passcode. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 here. I don't recommend that you do 1, 2, 3, 4, but just for this video's purposes, that's what we'll use. And now you can see that these 5 icons have been added to my screen. So we have the self-service icon, an iPad user guide, just some general information to get you started, the IC Help Desk website, the Google Status website, so if you're having problems with Gmail or Google Drive, this is a place to come to see if they're having issues, as well as an Apple Status. So that, in a nutshell, is how you enroll your iPad in self-service. If you have any problems, you can send me an email or call the help desk at 5555.